Today on 13th July 2020, let's examine the Twitter and Mr. Aswini Upadhyay. He is a eminent lawyer in Delhi Supreme Court. What he has to say: मुफ्त तालीम दवा मिल रही है, मुफ्त गैस सिलेंडर मिल रहा है, मुफ्त जनधन खाता खुल गया है, किसान सम्मान निधि मिल रही है, मुफ्त राशन हर महीने मिल रहा है, सभी बच्चों को वजीफा मिल रहा है, मुफ्त बिजली कनेक्शन मिल गया है, मुफ्त मकान के लिए फॉर्म भर दिया है। गांव नहीं, एक परिवार के सदस्य है लोग। इट सीम्स लाइक ए पोएम, but it is not a poem, it is not a satire, it is depiction of a family, a Muslim family. See how numerous they are. They have a small kid. If there is a 5 years kid, within a 10 year or 7 years kid, within a 10 to 12 years, they will be able to vote, and they have a pattern to vote. We know all. What are the replies? Lieutenant Colonel Anil Kabrata: huge injustice to all taxpayers and great encouragement to elements who think that religion. They also believe that earth is flat is abomination, inhuman torture to children whose poor parents are incapable of bringing them up properly. So this guy is from the army and retired. He's a very secular person, but still he says what he has so. Please consider filing a PIL petition in Supreme Court NHRC laying down condition on parents to only produce that many children as they can bring up decently. A large number of children are growing up like worms in gutter and becoming criminals. I shall pay cost of the petition. He is a very kind-hearted person. We should welcome him. But problem is with the government. People are awake to our cause that there should be less number of people. They should produce less number of child. Main reason of for crime, underdevelopment, underemployment, and price rise. So population growth is a problem. They are vote traders, and one day they will rule the country with sheer numbers. Wake up call if politician and government sleeping. Uh, as for that, my view is that government is not sleeping. The political boss Modi is a pure secular, and he loves it because for the past 6 years he is in the power and he is doing nothing to stop this population growth. In fact, what Ashwin Upadhyay has said, he is helping that way. Who is giving the subsidy? You, me. Modi is giving subsidy. मनोज डी पटेल से हिमालय गुजराती, मेरे फैमिली में दो ही लोग हैं, ना रेशन लिया, ना गैस सब्सिडी लिया, ना कोई गवर्नमेंट होम फ्रॉम भाड़ा, तो भी बीजेपी को ही वोट दूंगा. ये ही इज ए डाई हार्ड बीजेपी सपोर्ट. सो मोदी's true power lies with the people of this kind who blindly supports. We should support the leader. No, we should not support the leader. We should support the leader's policy. What policy they are doing for us and what policy they are implementing for the other peoples. Just see the people's reaction. कुछ साल रुक जाओ, हिंदू की पूरी संपत्ति और बहन बेटियों भी इन्हें बांट दी जाएगी. कभी मिट्टी नहीं हंसती हमारा का नारा लगाने वालों को यह भी याद रखना चाहिए कि कभी अफगानिस्तान बस्ती थी हमारी. So people are very awake towards this population growth. So these people are also saying about it. भारत सरकार से विनम्र निवेदन है कि इस विकट समस्या का समाधान नहीं निकाला तो देश में अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश की स्थिति देश में होगी. There are many people's reaction and it is worthy to read it, and all are finding the fault with the government. But who is running the government? Modi is running the government, and Modi is a very secular. So problem is the policy of the Modi. Let's come together to change